Hi there, and welcome to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create and share a quick payment link using your channel manager. This is a super handy feature that lets you collect payments from your guests, either in advance or for pending bookings, without going through the full reservation process. First, log into your channel manager account. From the left-hand side menu, click on Bookings Now. On the top right, click on the Payment Link tab. On the Payment Link page, click on the plus New Link button. You'll now go through 4 simple steps to create the link. Select the check-in and check-out dates for the guest's stay. Choose the room category, meal plan, and the number of rooms the guest wants. Enter the guest's name, phone number, and email address. Choose your payment gateway. Once done, click Hold Inventory and then Send Payment Link. And that's it. The payment link is now sent directly to the guest's email. The room inventory is held until the link expires or the payment is completed. We hope this helped. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. Details are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials right here on our channel. Thanks for watching.